Hi, this is Jim Hensel from Hensel Family Farms. We installed a EccoTemp 40H a year ago to provide hot water for a yurt. Here you can see that it's mounted to a pole with heat tape and insulation of the water pipes from the pole to the yurt, both the hot and cold water. Here's a close-up of the heat taping and the insulation. The black pipe is actually the gas line, but the rest of the inlet and outlet are all heat taped and insulated. So the problem with this 40H is that it froze, even though I had it heat taped and insulated, and even though it has the frost protection circuit in it. Here is the unit on my workbench. You can see there the EccoTemp 40H, and so I have been talking with the company about what to do about it, and they just point at the warranty and say that freeze damage is not covered by the warranty. And I'm asking myself, well, why do they have this frost protection circuit if it doesn't do anything? And in fact, I bought it because it has a frost protection circuit, and had I not seen this frost protection circuit, I would have plumbed the thing completely differently to protect it. Here's a picture of the inside. The blower is on the left, the silver part is the burner, the coils are the copper pieces. Where it froze is over on the right there. There's some 180-degree bends in the coil, and at least 3 of them have burst. There's a picture of the heat protection, little ceramic cubes or rectangles there. I have one pried off to the right there. It's in the middle of the screen. So you can see the little gray blob. That's some epoxy putty I'm trying to use to close the brakes. There's 3 of them. I don't know if all 3 of them will be able to see, but there's all these U-turns here, and there's 3 of them have splits in them. And I've now put air in it, and there appears to be a 4th leak behind. I think it's a lost cause. So my advice to you is don't buy this unit if you're thinking it's going to give you any benefit from frost protection, because it won't. And plumb your out. If you're going to put one of these outdoors, plumb it so you can drain it when you're not using it. I'd be inclined to use solenoid valves or something that I could switch maybe from inside to put a drain through this part of the system, because there doesn't appear to be any way to add external heat to keep it from freezing as the bottom is open to let in the air for the combustion air. And so I wouldn't buy this unit if you thought you needed frost protection, because at least in my case it doesn't work, and the company's not willing to stand behind it.